Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the thumbnail for free with ChatGPT. How to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here I will access the chatgpt.com, and to get more spacious view, I will access it from my Google Chrome in my PC. And to create this thumbnail, you don't have to upgrade it into the ChatGPT Plus, but you will need to go to the another GPT. So don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this is the look of the home page as usual. And after that, I will open the sidebar here and click GPTs. And after that, I will go to the DALL-E. And after that, you can choose the thumbnail pro viral video thumbnail, or also this thumbnail maker. There are two GPT that will help you to create this thumbnail. And for example, I would like to create this thumbnail maker, and after that you can start to the conversation. For example, I will you can choose this conversation starter, I'm sorry, or this one. And after that it will bring you into this section, and for example I will click this one, and after that this GPT will help you to create the thumbnail. And for example, create me the thumbnail about the tutorial to make the AI for free. Enter, and kindly wait for this GPT respond your request. And after that, this GPT will respond you and also give you the detail like the image type, setting, main subject, the text placement and style, and also the overall mood. And also give you the offering. Shall I generate this thumbnail for you? And I will continue to respond yes. And kindly wait for the next response. And kindly wait for the several second or minute, and the picture will be ready for you guys. The picture is almost done, and if you find any another AI that can do the same to create the thumbnail or the thumbnail maker, please don't forget to suggest us or recommend us into the comment section, and we would love to see your comments there and create the video in another version. So only in any seconds, then this will be the thumbnail that we will use for creating the content in YouTube channel or another platform. So you can also start to download it, and there you go, it ready to use. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.